Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with ID Contractors, and today we'll be discussing how to install a bathroom sink drain trap. All you're going to need for this job is your drain trap, connectors, and washers, and a piece of pipe that's 1.25 inches long. One of the biggest problems with bathroom sinks is that they don't have a P-trap installed. A P-trap is an S-shape piece of pipe. It allows the water to come down, through, and then into the sewer system. One of the advantages to having a drain trap installed is that if you drop your wedding ring down the drain, it's going to get caught right here rather than going into the sewer system. Now right here is your sewer pipe. This sewer pipe is 2.5 inches. As you can see here, they converted it down from 2.5 inches down to 2 inches, and then down to your 1.25 inches. This allows us to place our 1.25 inch pipe right through the top of it and tighten it down. Now that we have our 1.25 inch pipe installed, go ahead and take your drain trap and install it on the pipe that is coming down from the sink. As you can see, we already have our bolt on there. Slide it up and tighten. Take your P-trap and twist it till it lines up with your sewer line. Take your P-trap and slide it over the 1.25 inch pipe. Take your washer, slide it up to the P-trap, and tighten the nut. And that's it. I'm Joshua Clement with ID Contractors, and that's how you install a bathroom sink drain trap.